Namaskar, hi, hello, welcome to our famous YouTube channel ASK in Detail, and in this video I will show you the replacement of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. As you can see on the screen, I am showing the details. I am giving the details about Samsung Galaxy M31, the great option, the great replacement or the great alternative for Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Okay friends, because we are talking about the replacements or the alternatives for Chinese smartphones, because in this stage we have to find out the replacement, and then we will wait for the Indian manufacturers to launch the made in India or make in India smartphones completely. Because yes, we what in the last few decades we have just given priorities to Chinese smartphones, and just because this the Indian companies lost the market in their own area. For example, in TV, Onida and so many manufacturers just got behind, and we just got attracted towards the Chinese products. We have given the priority to Chinese products, and then that's why we have lost our own market. And because of this, the money got transferred to the other companies, and because of this the technology is also given by the foreigner companies, because the money they got the money, and India is the huge market, so we have to give priority to our own products, made in India products. At any cost we can adjust, we can compromise. Okay friends, this is my opinion, you have your own opinion also. Let's start this video. As you can see here on the screen, we have two smartphones. I will not show you the images. As you can see, images on the web browser or any other medium. Now we'll see the details of these smartphones. Yes, here are the configuration. The manufacturers are Xiaomi and Samsung. Yes, then we have these names of smartphones manufactured. Okay, release date in 2020, near about March and February. Yes, launched in India. See, here are the dimensions given. There is a slight change, but near about similarity in in dimensions. Now the main thing is weight. Okay friends, weight. Here Samsung M31 wins because it is more lighter than Note 9 Pro Max. Okay, then there is another main point, that is battery capacity. Here also Samsung M31 wins because it is 6000 huge mAh power battery. There is only two there are only two color options. Okay, we can adjust with it. Now we have another details. Yes, you can see here screen also matters, but that is not the great difference from my point of view, my friends. Then we have resolution. It is also quite similar, there is no huge difference here. Another main important, that is processor. Okay friends, processor, as you can see here M31 wins. The processor is quite good. Now we have another option in processor make. Yes, you can see here friends, it is a Qualcomm Snapdragon used in Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, but in Samsung they have their own processor, that is Samsung Exynos 9611. It is more powerful, it is good, and it has better performance. Okay friends, now the RAM is same in both smartphones, 6 GB. Internal storage, here Samsung M31 wins because it has 128 GB. Yes, there are some other variants. There are variants or models of these smartphones. You can choose any one. Just there is a difference of 500 or 1000 in the price that you can see while buying these smartphones through online shopping. Now here we have a space approximately 12 GB expandable. You can expand. Now the main thing is rear camera. Okay friends, here you can see the quad core cameras. Okay, here when you will see these details of cameras given by the manufacturers, here I think this Samsung M31 camera is more better than these Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, because Samsung lens is used by most of the manufacturers, smartphone manufacturers. So I will go with the M31. Okay, fine. Now we have another details. Front camera, it is similar in both the smartphones, 32 megapixel. Okay friends, now we have operating system Android 10 in both the smartphones, similar. Then here MIUI 11 is available. Here in Samsung M31 One UI 2.0 is available. All the details are quite similar. See, you can see on the screen, you Type-C port and all the details. Okay, we have, so all the details I have given to you, and some other details are in front of you on the screen, so you can choose the better smartphone. But I will recommend you for now, because we have to stand up with the Pride India movement and choose the right choice. Thanks for watching friends. Goodbye.